After connecting the refrigerator to a water source or replacing the water filter, flush the water system. Use a sturdy container to depress and hold the water dispenser lever for 5 seconds. Then release it for 5 seconds. Repeat until water begins to flow. Please note, as air is cleared from the system, water may spurt from the water dispenser. Once water begins to flow, continue depressing and releasing the dispenser lever, 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off, until a total of 4 gallons or 16 liters has been dispensed. This process will produce a large volume of water, likely more than a drinking glass can hold. To avoid overflowing the container, you may empty it during any of the 5-second off intervals. Use additional containers, or use a large enough container to hold the total volume. This will flush air from the filter and water dispensing system and prepare the water filter for use. Additional flushing may be required in some households.